Fraction. Today is September 11th, 2017. Okay, so this lesson today, just as a reminder, if I can find it here. Where's my website go? Handouts. Oops. I'm all over the place today. Why am I? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two handouts here. Hopefully. Oh, Mr. Sadler. Come on. Okay, and right here, I think we're probably on the fourth day, I think, so right in here, September 11th. And you can just do multiplying fractions or multiple fractions. If you don't have a sheet like this, I don't know if you do, this is where we'll have one sheet for everyone and show you what's going on here. Okay, so we'll be okay on this. You guys have been very, very good so far. You've been good workers. Fractions are something, if you're afraid of fractions, don't be. Okay, we'll get through them here. We're going to spend 2 days on them, maybe 3 will see. That might be it for the unit, okay? So I want to make sure this is feeling sort of good, okay? And you're not too stressed out about things. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, a fraction looks something like this. 3/4. 3 has a special name and 4 has a special name. Oh, Mr. Moore, you're wonderful. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Excellent, thank you.
It's on a desk.
Yeah. Okay, what is the thing on the top of the fraction called? It begins with an N. Numerator is the top one. Numerator is the top one.
Oh, you got it right there.
And Mrs. Ward, you can give them a table, no, table of whatever it's called. You know what I'm trying to say. Table of contents. What's the thing beneath the fraction called? Do you remember? Go ahead.
The denominator.
Denominator, very good. And we're going to be using math talk and math terms in this classroom. I will actually be saying numerator, denominator will be what we're using here. Okay, example 1. Is going to be put to an improper fraction. Okay, that's called a mixed number. There's nothing really wrong with that. But we can't really add that, we can't subtract it, we can't multiply, we can't divide it that well. What's different with this one than the 3/4? There's a simple difference. Spider-Man. What's the difference between this one and the last one? Yeah, go ahead.
It has a whole number.
It has a whole number, okay? We don't really like whole numbers, okay? So this is the way you do it. You're going to multiply 3 times 3, and you're going to add 1 to it. Okay? Because 3 wholes mean that there's 3, 6, 9. Okay, and then we're going to add 1 to it to get 10. I'll give you guys one to try in a second. I just want to make sure that's good. If you're not sure, please raise your hand and be brave. Because this hopefully comes back to it from last year. So what's happening with Dallas? I just did 3 times 3 to get like 9, and that's the 3 holes. 3 out of 3, 6 out of 3, 9 out of 3. And you add another one in the numerator to get 10. Come back for most people? Probably good? Okay. Kyle, I'm picking on you next time. This is going to be a little bit bigger, so you may need a calculator for this one. 4 1/8. Oh my goodness. 4 1/8. Okay, you're going to about 20 seconds to try this one out. Okay, if you're not sure how to do it, raise your hand and we'll go through it. For this one, I want you to still be 4 1/8. I'll pick on Kyle here in a second. So we'll give her a chance. These are big numbers. So what I'm going to ask you, Kyle, in a second is to explain to me in English and then give me the answer, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Kyle, are you ready? In English, what do we do?
You multiply 8 and 4 and add 1.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so what's 8 times 4?
32.
And 32 plus 1 is?
38.
Lovely. Okay, can everyone close their eyes and put their heads in their desk for a second, please? And Ethan, this is actually true. I want you to close your eyes for a second. Don't put your head in your desk, just close your eyes. Who completely understands what's happening here? Raise your hand. Who mostly understands but needs a little bit of practice? Raise your hand. Who doesn't really understand? Okay, hands up, please. Okay, so let's go see this one. I'll do it maybe a little bit differently here. Let her see. Okay, I'm going to bake whenever I get some zucchini. My dad's garden normally has a lot of zucchini. Unfortunately, groundhog living in the neighborhood, and he loves zucchini, so I'm not getting it. So I'm gonna oh, really? I'm not even kidding. I'll bake something for you if you want, because I love making zucchini bread. The point I'm trying to make is, though, I need 2.5 cups of flour, and I'm not even kidding. This is what goes into it. Okay? So we want to bring this to an improper fraction. Okay? This is the way it goes. So it's going to be. I'm going to pick on that. What do we do in English for this one? Yeah.
Add 1.
Good. Another way to think about it, if you want to, is let's do it with boxes and we'll do it with numbers. See, there's 1, there's 2, and there's a half. Okay, if you're looking for boxes. If you want to do with fractions, that's 2 over 2 is 1 plus 2 over 2. That's 2 plus 1 over 2, and it's 5 over 2. Okay, there's 3 ways to show the same thing. The quickest way is just to do the multiplying and the adding. That's the quickest way. Okay, but if you're thinking right, it's going to be 1 whole 1 plus another whole 1 plus a half. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and a half. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, that's 5 over 2. Okay? Julia, how are you feeling? Okay? Cassandra? Am I the only person who calls Cassandra? It's a nice name. Cassandra's nice. All right, one last one for you guys to try, and then we're going to move on to multiplying fractions. Here we go, letter D. Just more, if you would, I'm not even joking, if you have extra zucchinis that you're not doing anything with.
I'm afraid my garden, we tilled up all of my pumpkins last year instead of picking them at the end of the
Oh, so
So I think I have some like kind of crazy hybrids of pumpkin, squash, zucchini.
I wonder what a zucchini pumpkin
No.
is. Oh.
We were coming up with some interesting names.
If you have a zucchini, bring it. I can bring it out low for the class. Okay,
There might be some watermelon.
like zucchini sounds disgusting, zucchini bread, but it actually tastes delicious. Okay, so I'm not doing chocolate. I'm diabetic. Come on, okay. Plus, I know you don't like chocolate either. So
I'm allergic to chocolate.
yeah, so why would I make chocolate? All right, 5 3/4. This is the next one. Okay, this looks like a big question. You can do this though. Okay. Anyone who's interested in cars, okay, fractions are a big deal. Okay, once you get, that's one thing you're going to need with different liters and all that sort of stuff. It mixes fuel and oil and all that stuff. You're going to need to add this in your head, okay? All right, Liam, I'm going to pick on you. Uh-oh. You can do it in English here. So what do we do for this one in English? You have 5 3/4.
Me?
No, Liam.
Oh, okay.
You can pass, no problem. So you want to help him here? Yeah, go ahead. No.
5 times 4, 30.
Good. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply. Now, if you're saying, I don't know where she got that from, it's going to be this times this, right? The denominator times the whole number, and then you're going to add the numerator. Okay? Sort of okay? I know fractions are the most exciting thing in the world, I understand that, okay? But this is something that's pretty important. I understand this is more as far as high school goes. I understand how fractions work, it's
Yeah, and if we take any shop classes to.
totally. All right, let's move on to multiplying. Are you ready? Now, multiplying fractions is the easiest thing. I shouldn't say that. Yeah, okay, I will say it. Multiplying fractions is the easiest thing in the world. I'm going to show you right now how to do it, okay? If you're saying I hate fractions, first of all, Ben, don't think that. Okay, never mind. All right, let's move on to multiplying fractions. Waiting for time. Oh. Okay, for this, you just multiply straight across. And bring below those terms, and we'll talk about that in a little bit, okay? So for multiplying fractions, there's no common denominators, if you know that word, we're not going to talk about those today, okay? So I don't remember what common denominators are, hopefully they're coming back to grade 8. That'll be tomorrow, okay? Today we're just going to multiply, okay? So all we're going to do is take the numerator of 1 and times by the numerator of the other one, and then the denominator of 1 and times by the denominator of the other one. The thing to remember is it has to be in this, whoops, I should have actually written down my answer, how's that? 23/4. Sorry about that. You didn't get that one down. Okay, the point is it has to be in this form because you have to multiply straight across. All right, so how things go. Okay. Dallas, I'm going to pick on you because I know your times tables are excellent. Are you ready? Oh no, Dallas. Don't be one of these guys that hates fractions. Don't hate fractions, you can do this. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Letter E. Oh, that's a letter E. Now, as we said in shop class, we'll need the stuff too, but we talk about halves and all that stuff, and different numbers and measurements and all that stuff. Baking, of course, is big too, and if you go into any higher level math in college, you'll need all of this, you'll need your pro and all this stuff.
Like any health care or nursing.
Oh yeah, my goodness. Ugh. There was, okay, I gotta tell you, like, I'm gonna do this online, I'll leave it online. I went to the hospital a few times in my life, and I get what's called an IV, which is one of an IV is, right? So when I throw up, I have to get an IV, right, in my arm and my body. One time, I had a nurse that was one of my students, and as she's getting she goes, you know, it has to be like 80% this and 20% this, and you know, that's the mixture. And she's ready to put the stuff, and I'm thinking to myself, was she good at math or not? Okay, that was my very first thought. Luckily she was, and I wasn't worried, right? But if you don't know numbers like that, most jobs use numbers. It's not fair to say this is more, some kind, right? So, okay, Dallas, enough stalling. 2/3 times 4/5. We're just going to multiply straight across. What's 2 times 4, please? 8, good. And 3 times 5 is? And that's all there is to multiplying fractions. You see that? So just straight across. So 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 5, 15. I'm going to pause the video and give you guys a break because we've been a lot of math today. Just a deep breath here, and then we'll keep going, okay?